Hi, I'm Jay Adams with Classic Kitchens, etc. And today we're looking at a guest home that we're building. We have already poured the foundation. We've already done the framing. We've done the roof. We have just now lapped the exterior. So next will be the brown coat, and I wanted to show you guys the inside. So come on in and take a look. Okay, so I want to show you guys some of the framing features of this house and just give you a little walkthrough after we got it framed. So this is the master closet area. This is going to be a walk-in closet. Now this is a single bedroom guest home. We have a bedroom here. We have a bathroom through that door over there. And then we have a walk-in closet here off to my right. So I wanted to show you the kitchen makeup here. This is the rough plumbing and rough electrical portion of the project. We also have our windows installed here, and you can see how the waterproofing comes inside the window. We have our vent pipe here for your drain for your kitchen sink. And then you have your supply lines for the kitchen faucet, hot and cold. And you can also see the rough plumbing makeup. Now, this vent pipe goes all the way through the roof. These things can be caught sometimes in a remodel. Something to think about when you're remodeling. If you're trying to remove a wall or trying to make a doorway, these can be in the way sometimes, so they have to be relocated. In this case, we're building everything new, so we don't have to worry about it yet. Let's talk about the lighting. So in the lighting for this kitchen space, it's a small room. So this is a 9-foot ceiling. So we went 3 feet apart from the perimeter walls, and we did 5 feet apart from each other. This will give enough downlight, illuminate the whole room without getting too much light. You don't want to put too many lights in because then it looks like some kind of spaceship. And you don't want too few, obviously, because then you won't have enough light. So 3 feet away from the perimeter walls and 5 feet apart seem to be right for this 9-foot ceiling. So we're in the master bathroom for this guest house, and it is keeping it as a guest house, we got to stay under a certain square footage. This one happens to be 480. You got to stay under 495. Well, they want you to stay under 500, but of course we want to be a little bit farther under that so we don't get caught where we have to actually move a wall after it's already been built. So we try to max out around like 480, 490 so that we make sure we have that little wiggle room there. So this particular one we built is 480, and this is the shower that we built. This is a 3x5 shower. 3x5 is a really nice size for a shower or a tub shower combination. It gets everything done the way that you need it to get it done. Gives you a pretty decent sized space, but keeps the square footage small. So we did a really upgraded shower system for this build. This is a Moen exact temp shower system. So this has the 3/4 inch supply line that comes into this valve. This valve will create enough volume. It's about 18 gallons a minute. It'll supply multiple shower fixtures. So in this case, we have 3 body sprays on one volume control valve, and we have the hand shower, and we have a regular shower head. So these can all be on at the same time, or you can have one, any combination of these. You could have just one of them on, or you could have all 3 of them on. This valve has enough pressure to supply all the fixtures if you had them all on. Eventually, we're going to be putting a shower niche in this space. So, this is the rough framing. We block in a little space here, and then we build a shower niche. I'll show you guys that when it's done. Thanks for watching. See you next time. On. I like that you stay quiet.
Yeah, I know, like it matters. Like I'm not gonna take that out of there.
Hi, I'm Jay Adams with Classic Kitchens, etc. And today we're at a what are we doing? I forgot. I just had it all in my head. There should be a manual on that thing too.
It is on manual, but then as soon as the light hits it, it
does it anyways?
Yeah, it does what it wants.
Okay, so we're still in the kitchen space. Let's talk about the lighting. So we're in the master bathroom for this. What are we in?
Guest house?
Guest house, thank you. Jeez. So this has the 3/4 inch, so it can supply multiple shower it'll supply multiple shower fixtures. Yeah, is that the sign what I'm talking about? Yeah, eventually we're going to be putting a shower niche in this space, so I'll show you guys that when it's done.